Hi, fourth graders. Our goals today are to solve division problems with 4-digit dividends and 1-digit divisors. And we will do that by writing by the partial quotient strategy. So we're going to use these playing cards here to help us create our problems today. Let's start with a 4-digit dividend. 4,898. Okay, there's our 4-digit dividend. And our divisor will be 4. There's our division problem. 4,898 divided by 4. I'm going to use our little division house. We put the dividend inside, and the divisor goes outside. Draw a vertical line to help us keep track of our work. Okay, we start by thinking 4 times something gets us close to 4,898 without going over. 4 times 100 is 400. That's not very close. Ooh, 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. That's closer. There we go. Let's subtract and see what's left. 898 left. Okay. So 4 times what is close to 898? See that 8 in the hundreds place? I know 4 times 2 is 8. How could I get 800? 4 times 200 is 800. All right, let's subtract. We have 98 left. 4 times what gets us close to 98 without going over? Well, I know 4 times 20 is 80. That's pretty close. If we subtract, we still have 18 left. Okay, 4 times what gets us close to 18 without going over? 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Too far. So we'll stick with 4 times 4 is 16. We subtract, we have 2 left. I can't do anything else because 4 times 0 is 0 and 4 times 1 is 4. That's too big, so we'll stop. That 2 is less than our divisor 4. That will be our remainder. Okay, let's add up our parts here. We have 1,224. 1,224. And don't forget about our remainder. Remainder 2. So we can say that 4,898 divided by 4 equals 1,224, remainder 2. Okay, let's do another one. This time, I want you to get your paper. I want you to do this with me. Are you ready? Pause if you need to go get your materials. Hopefully they're close by. All right, here's our 4-digit dividend. 2,475. 2,475 divided by, let's see what our divisor is, 6. Okay, let's set it up. Here's our division house. We'll put our dividend inside the house and our divisor outside. And we'll make our vertical line to keep track of our work. So we need to start by thinking 6 times what is 2,475, or close to that. Let's see, 6 times 1,000 is 6,000, too big. 6 times 100 is 600, too small. 6 times 200 is 1,200. 6,300 is 1,800. 6,400 is 2,400. That's really close to 2,475. So I was kind of going through. I did 6 times 100, 6 times 200, 6 times 300, and then I went to 6 times 400, and that one was helpful because that got me really close to my dividend without going over. So we write that underneath. Now let's subtract. In the ones place, we have 5 ones minus 0 ones is 5. We have 7 tens minus 0 tens is 7. 400s minus 400s is 0. 2,000s minus 2,000s is 0. All right, only 75 left. 6 times what is close to 75 without going over? 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 20 is 80. Too far. So we'll stick with 6 times 10. Okay, when we subtract those, let's see what we get. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 tens minus 6 tens is 1 10. 15 left. 6 times what is close to 15 without going over? 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. I went over 15. So I'll stick with 2. 6 times 2 is 12. If we subtract, 5 minus 2 is 3. 110 minus 110 is 0. We'll stop there because 3 is less than our divisor 6. Okay, we had 400, 10, and 2 with a remainder of 3. Let's put that all together. 412, remainder 3. So we just figured out that 2,475 divided by 6 equals 412, remainder 3. Here's our answer. Thanks for solving with me.